Hello guys, in this video we'll talk about the DJI NEO drone. So we will talk about the pros, the cons, and why I think this is the best drone that you can buy from the internet. First of all, let's talk about the pros. So I really love this drone because it is very tiny. You can take it to wherever you want because you can put it in your backpack, you can just hold it in your hand. It is very easy to carry with you from place to place compared to other drones that are bigger. Second, it has a 4K 30 frames per second camera that it is okay, but it is not similar with the 4K of the DJI Mavic 3 or the DJI Mini 3. But if it is sun outside, I can definitely tell you that the video from this drone, it will be very good. The third one and the most important for me is that it have smart features. So it has drone circle. That means it will gonna go to and make a circle around you at 2, 4, 6, 10 or even 20 meters apart. Rocket, it will gonna go straight up and you can put it to circle to make a rotation and you will be exactly in the middle of the video. Spotlight, that means it will stay here and it only will follow but not move towards you. Of course, the direction track, it will gonna stay put and just will rotate after you. And the most interesting, it is follow mode. So this is my preferred mode because you can set the drone on follow and the drone will automatically, let me show you, follow you from place to place. To activate the mode, you don't need a remote control, you don't need nothing, you just need to press and hold this function button for 2 seconds. So close. 1, follow, 3, 2, 1. So the drone will stay right here, and when you put your hand underneath of the drone, it will land it on my hand. Let me show you something else. Drone, circle, rocket, spotlight, direction, follow, close. Close. Follow. 3, 2, 1. So that is the drone, and the drone will come where I am. And for this follow function, and because it is very tiny, it has this stabilization camera here, so no matter what, it will put it in the center of the image. I think this is the best drone. And now let me show you something. You see the DJI Avata? It is similar, it is almost identical with the DJI NEO, but the DJI Avata, it is much more powerful. The DJI Avata can reach up to 150 kilometers per hour, while the DJI NEO can reach only 70 kilometers per hour. But that is okay, because if you want to take it to wherever you want outdoors, you just put it on follow mode and the drone will try to keep up with your speed. Of course, you can run, you can hike, you can do whatever you want, even you can go through trees. It doesn't have obstacle avoidance features, but because it is very small, it can go through narrow cracks and it will be just fine. As you saw in this video, I have made some crashes with the drone and nothing happened to it. So this is perfect because, and now this is the best advantage that this drone has and the others don't have, is that it is very sturdy. You can bump into objects, you can go through trees, you can go everywhere, and if it will fall on the side, on the top, on the bottom, and will nothing happen to it. While with the DJI Mini 3, as you see here, I had some issues. It hit a tree and the arms broke down, even this. While on the DJI Neo you will don't have this problem. So that is the main thing that I love about this drone, because many of us don't use a drone at its full capacity. We only want to use the drone to follow us, to make some cool shots. So it is very handy. It is very sturdy, it is very resistant, it flies amazing, and you don't need a remote control. While on the DJI Avata you need the goggles, you need the controller. Of course you can connect the goggles or the controller to the DJI Neo and make very cool moves or acro moves, but this is a drone that you can take it with you in your vacation and don't need to worry about it's hitting something, about the people to be annoyed by the sound and by the everything, because it is very small. Look again, just turn it on. It is not connected to anything. Just turn it on and 2 seconds.
Close. Follow. 3, 2, 1.
It is simple as that. So it will follow us, very cool. Of course you can manual control this drone with the smartphone that uses the DJI Fly app, and it will be almost as similar with the DJI Mini 3 or the Mini 4. Of course you can connect the goggles, you can connect the RC Smart Control or the RC controller, but it will not be same, and it will not be that easy to use, because as you saw, just
Droney.
set the
Circle. Rocket. Spotlight. Direction track. Follow. Drone. Rocket. Spotlight.
just select the mode and you are ready
Spotlight.
to use it.
3, 2, 1.
And now the drone will stay right here, as you see. It is amazing.
Spotlight. 3, 2, 1.
You see, the remote control will rotate after me and will try to keep up with the location where I am. It is very simple. Even a child can use this. Of course it has this protection on the bottom, and you can put it on the top, this propellers protection, but I don't recommend to use this, because if you will hit a branch or a tree, it can be stuck in the branches of the tree. So I really love the DJI Neo drone, because I will not be afraid of hitting something. It is very easy in your luggage to carry with you wherever you want. It costs just $200. Maybe you will say that is very much, but it is sturdy. It has AI function. It has
Direct follow.
it has every function that we need to
Droney.
use it on a
Direct
vacation.
follow.
So the cons is that it doesn't have lots of speed, and you cannot use this drone in highly winds. And the pros is that you can damage this drone very hard. You can bump into trees. You can do almost everything with it, and the drone will not be damaged. And the price, it is very good. It is very good. So what do you think about this drone? I really love this drone, so I am really thinking to sell my DJI avatar and just use the DJI NEO. And it has some safety features. If you put it
Follow. Close.
follow,
Three.
and if you
Unable
move
to
it,
take off.
unable
Aircraft
to
in
take
motion.
off.
Spotlight. 3, 2, 1. Unable to take off. Aim camera at subject first.
And as you saw, if it doesn't recognize a subject, it will not take off. So it will only take off
Drone. Rocket. Spotlight.
if you don't move it.
Spotlight. 3, 2, 1.
Hello. And the simple thing to land, just put a hand underneath of the drone and it will land. Yes, I think this is the smartest little drone out there, and it is very hard to damage it. That's why I think this is the best drone on the internet. What do you think about this video? Feel free to subscribe to AudioTribe YouTube channel and please hit that like button. Cheers.